Question. In triangle ABC, angle ABC is 90 degree, that is this angle. Sides BA and BC are √2 each. Then points P1, P2, P3, P4 up to P2023 and P2024 are on the hypotenuse AC. It is also given that these segments AP1, P1, P2, P2, P3, P3, P4, etc. are all equal to each other. Then what is the length of the vector sum of BP1 plus BP2 plus ... plus BP2024? Without loss of generality, let us locate point B at the origin, BC along the x-axis and BA along the y-axis. Then BA being in the y direction can be represented as a vector as √2 AY, where √2 is the magnitude and AY is the unit vector in the y direction. Similarly, BC vector is equal to √2 AX, where AX is the unit vector in the x direction. From the triangle law of vectors, we know that BA plus BC is equal to, BA plus AC is equal to BC, or AC is equal to BC minus BA, and BC being √2 unit vector AX and BA being √2 unit vector AY, we can write AC vector is equal to √2 AX minus AY. Let us call this equation 1. Let us draw the vectors BP1, BP2, etc. until BP2024. These vectors are shown by the green arrows. It is given that BA plus BC is equal to square root of 2. That is the length of it or magnitude of it. Then hypotenuse AC is equal to BA square plus BC square, and that is equal to 2. It is also given that the length of AP1 is equal to length of P1, P2, etc. until P024C. Then AC, the hypotenuse AC, has been divided into 25 equal parts at points P1, P2, P3, ... at up to P2024. Therefore, AP1 length is equal to AC divided by 2025. Also, AP1 vector is equal to AP2 vector is equal to AP3 vector and up to P2023C vector, because their magnitudes are the same and all the directions are along the hypotenuse AC. So, AP2, that is from here to here, will be 2 AP1. Similarly, vector AP3 is equal to 3 AP1. And if you continue in this manner, A P2024 is equal to 2024 AP1. And vector AC will be equal to 2025 times vector AP1. Therefore, vector AP1 is equal to 1 by 2025 of vector AC. Let us call this equation 2. Before going any further, please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell so you can be immediately notified for new uploads. It is completely free and only takes a few seconds, and you can always unsubscribe later. Without further ado, let's proceed with the rest of the video. Now, vector BP1, that is this green vector, is equal to BA plus AP1. BA plus AP1. That is because in this triangle, BAP1, BA plus AP1 is equal to BP1. And BP2 will be BP2, this vector will be BP1 plus P1 P2. BP1 plus P1 P2, and BP1 we have found out here like this. Therefore, it will become BA plus AP1 plus P1 P2, that is equal to BA plus 2 AP1. Similarly, vector BP3 will be BP2 plus P2 P3, and BP2 we have found out here, and putting that value, it will become vector BA plus 2 times vector AP1 plus vector AP1, that is equal to BA plus 3 times vector AP1. Continuing in this fashion, we get vector BP2024 is equal to vector BP2023 plus vector P2023 P2024, and that will be equal to vector BA plus 2024 times vector AP1. Therefore, if you sum the left-hand sides of these sets of equations, we get BP1 plus BP2, continuing in this fashion up to BP 2024, we get BA vector plus AP1 vector, BA vector plus 2 AP2 AP1 vector, etc. up to BA vector plus 2024 times AP1 vector. And there are 2024 terms in this summation. So we can write in shorthand summation of BPN vector n varying from 1 to 2024 is equal to 2024 into BA plus A, that is 2024 BA, because there are 2024 terms, and from each term one BA vector is present, so we get 2024 BA, and then from the remaining terms, AP1 being common factor, we take it out to get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus like this up to 2024. And that is equal to 2024 BA as before plus AP1 vector is equal to AC vector divided by 2025. This we have found out from equation 2. And that would be multiplied by the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 2024, and this sum is 2024 multiplied by 2025 divided by 2. That's because sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 like this plus 2024 is equal to 2024 into 2025 by 2. Okay. So the summation of all these vectors is equal to 2024 multiplied by root 2 ay vector, because we know the value of BA vector is root 2 into ay vector. And the second term is 2024 divided by 2 multiplied by AC, because this 2025 term will cancel with this 2025 term, and 2024 by 2 will remain. And that is equal to 2024 multiplied by vector ay plus 2024 by 2 multiplied by root 2 into vector ax minus ay. Why this is so? Because we had found this out from equation 1. Therefore, the summation is equal to 2024 into square root of 2 multiplied by ay plus ax minus ay by 2. Because in this, we have taken the term 2024 into root 2 common. Okay. Now, this is equal to ay plus ax minus ay by 2. If you simplify that, that becomes this term. 2024 multiplied by root 2 whole multiplied by ax plus ay divided by 2. So, the length or magnitude of the vector, that is the sum of this vector, is 2024 multiplied by root 2 divided by 2 multiplied by the magnitude of ax plus ay vectors. And that is equal to 2024 multiplied by root 2 by 2 multiplied by 1 square plus 1 square root over, and that will become 2024 divided by 2 multiplied by square root of 2 into square root of 2, that is equal to 2024. How do we get this? Because look at the diagram here. This is ax, it has a magnitude of 1 and direction along x-axis. This is the vector ay, the direction is along y-axis and magnitude is 1. Therefore, ax plus ay, the vector sum of ax plus ay will be this hypotenuse, and its magnitude is 1 square plus 1 square. Therefore, 1 square ax plus ay magnitude is the magnitude of this hypotenuse vector, and that is equal to square root of 2. Therefore, the answer is 2024.